What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today real quick I'm going to share with you guys one of the cooler Be Quiet was nice enough to send. So today we have here Be Quiet Shadow Rock 3 white version here, and this cooler also support up to 190 watt TDP. Now I did review the silver version right here. If you guys want to watch the silver one video, there will be a link in the video's description or maybe link up there. Now both of these coolers are identical. Both of this cooler does support all the way up to 190 watt TDP. Both of this cooler height is same. Comes with 5-6mm copper heat pipes. Everything is basically same. Only difference, the color. Now keep one thing in mind. Last time when I reviewed this silver version here, I used a different CPU, and today I'll use a newer CPU. We have here AMD Ryzen 3 3100. So the temperature will look slightly different, so just keep that in mind. Now let me do a quick unboxing for you guys and show you guys what this cooler comes with. Again, both of these coolers are exactly same. Alright, let me just show you guys the cooler first, and then I'll show you guys everything else. Wow, so the white one definitely looks good. I don't know why, especially compared to silver one. I wish they also had like all black one too, but this white one will definitely go with my Be Quiet Pure Base 500DX case. You guys can see right here. I can't wait until I install this cooler, but you guys can see the top real quick. So I definitely like the top with like two-tone black and white, and then you have the Be Quiet branding here. I personally think it looks really nice. Right, so here we have the silver version and the white version. All right. Now, both of this cooler height is same, 163mm. The length is 121mm, and the width is 130mm. Both of these cooler comes with 6mm copper heat pipes. You guys can see here, copper heat pipes, and then you guys can see the CPU plate right here. White fins, white heat pipes, nice. And the silver one comes with silver fins and silver heat pipes. So let me open the fan box first, because I know some of you guys will be disappointed, because yes, this cooler comes with Shadow Wings 2 fan, and this fan is really quiet, but comes with black fan. It doesn't come with a white fan. Now maybe some of you guys are wondering why they went with a black fan and not a white fan. I think maybe they just wanted to stick with like black and white theme. So you guys can see the top color is black, so they just wanted to stick with this theme. Or maybe they just didn't want to you know, spend extra money and make some white Shadow Wings 2 fans. So I don't know, you guys can actually be quiet. All right, so let's see what we have in the second box. Free Be Quiet Phillips screwdriver. And that's really cool, because you can actually use this screwdriver for like, you know, your PC build purpose and stuff. So I really like that. And here we have the AMD and Intel socket installation kit, and also does come with thermal paste, like a small tiny thermal paste right here. I don't know if you guys can see. All right, so here we have Shadow Rock 3 installation guide right here, as you guys can see. Okay, so real quick, let me install this cooler, and then we'll overclock the CPU, and we'll see how this white version perform. Both of these cooler will perform same, because basically both of these coolers are identical. So hopefully this cooler performs same as the silver version right here. So let's not waste any more time and let's jump in. All right guys, so I couldn't show you guys the installation part, because while I was installing the cooler, my camera's battery died. So you guys can see my camera right here. Okay, the Sony a6400, and I'm sorry, I didn't notice, but by the time I looked at the camera battery was dead. So currently I'm recording with my iPhone 11 Pro. I have a shotgun microphone on the top, and I did install the cooler, and this cooler looks really nice. So right now I'm not running anything. Okay, so right now basically the system is idling, and my shotgun microphone is like 10 inches away from the cooler. You guys can see the idle temperature here, 31 Celsius, and the CPU is overclocked to 4.3 gigahertz. All right, and basically I was stressing the CPU with the Cinebench R20. So let me start Cinebench R20. All right, so I'm running Cinebench R20 right now. You guys can see temperature is going up, 60-70 Celsius already. Now ambient room temperature is around 25 Celsius. Okay, Cinebench R20 is running, and you guys can hear the fan speed under load. So my shotgun microphone is like 10 inches away from the cooler right now. Now keep in mind, Shadow Wing 2 fan maximum fan speed is around 1600 RPM. Cinebench R20 running, and the temperature under load 72 Celsius. Now keep in mind, we managed to overclock the CPU to 4.3 gigahertz. 4.3 gigahertz. Right now the microphone is like 12 inches away from the cooler. Cinebench R20 is almost done. Alright, so Cinebench R20 test is done. If you guys are wondering, the multi-core CPU score is around 2574. Okay, and the idle temperature 33 Celsius right now. So that's really good, guys. Now keep in mind, ambient temperature right now 25 Celsius, and you guys can hear the cooler while idling. Alright guys, so first thing first, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys the installation part, because I was thinking my camera was recording while I was installing this cooler, but I had no clue camera's battery died. So I was like, oh well, I can't just take this cooler off and then install again. That's just too much work, because I gotta apply new thermal paste and stuff. So sorry about that. Now, what I think about Be Quiet Shadow Rock 3. Now, do I recommend this cooler? Definitely. You guys already seen I managed to overclock my Ryzen 3 3100 to 4.3 gigahertz with 1.37 volt, and this cooler was handling that CPU really well. So I personally think this cooler right here, Shadow Rock 3, is good for new AMD 5000 series CPU, Ryzen 5 5600X or Ryzen 7 5800X. Definitely worth it. Even for Ryzen 9 5900X, you can't go wrong with this cooler, because as you guys know, those CPUs doesn't come with a cooler, so you need to buy an aftermarket cooler. So this cooler is not so bad. For $49, definitely worth it. Alright guys, if you guys have any question, please leave your question in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys. And that should be it. If you guys do like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, then you can also give me thumbs down, but I think you guys did like this video. And see you guys next one. Peace.